Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening. Namaste. Adab. सत श्री अकाल. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So I can see your comment. Class when start. Okay. Okay. Let's start today's session. So if you have any doubt, please tell me in the chat box. I can see your chat regularly. बस मजे में ठीक है. Good. Hi. Good evening. Sir. All right. You are. Okay. So let's start the today's session. Okay. Share screen. Screen number 1. So, okay, I hope you can see my screen very well. So today I'm going to tell you about the important concept that's a function. Okay, function. Why do we make function? Almost every programming language consists this term function. Okay, there are some built-in functions, and there are some you can also make the user-defined function. So question is, why do we make function? Right. The answer is very simple. To organize a code, consider if you want to write a big code, big line of, consider you want to write a code of 300 line. It's very difficult to manage everything just in one in a sequence. Consider you want to iterate some part of code, some piece of code. You want to iterate. You want to run the code. You want to run piece of code again and again. So we make function to put that piece of code in one block. You can say block or you can say function. In this way we can eliminate the redundancy, okay, because we can call one that function again and again with with different parameters. Okay, so consider this is diagram. If you are very new in Python or any language, this diagram helps you to understand what is the meaning of function. Consider this is a big organization. Big organization is divided into small departments. Okay, consider someone has a work with HR department. So what happens? So that person will directly go to the HR department. And consider he has a work with the sales department, he can directly go to the sales department. Very simple. But consider everyone, HR person, sales person, person, account person, everyone sitting under one roof, one big roof. That is where, and they are randomly distributed. It's very difficult for this person to find where the HR person, where the sales person. Okay, so in a similar way, we create the code. Okay. This is a syntax of function. Syntax. So first we write the def, that's a keyword. Then any meaningful name, meaningful. I'm saying meaningful. Don't give any A, B, C kind of name. Meaningful name. Then parameters if present, statements, and the return value if you want to return anything. Okay. So let's see the function. So we have function with arguments, a function with function without argument, function with return value, function with default value, function with variable length argument, function with keyworded argument. Okay, let's see one by one. First, हमारे पास है, let me put this slide over here. Okay, yeah, this is okay. Okay, let me just give me 1 second. I'm setting the style configurator. Yeah, style configurator Python class name def name should be in this cyan color, and triple quote must be in this color, and triple quote must be in the this color, and save and close. Get done. Okay, first of all, this is a keyword. Okay, let's save this program here. Function 1.py. Okay, you can use any editor of your choice. Okay, no, if you like PyCharm, you can use PyCharm. If you like Sublime version, you can use Sublime version. Okay, editor just to write the code. Okay, editor just to write the code. It's on your own style, what you prefer. Okay, so first function, I'm writing the function, just function 1. Okay, nothing else. And then define something. What is the meaning of pass? Anybody can tell? What is the meaning of pass? Yes, I can see in your chat. If you know what the meaning of pass, please tell me. Yes. What is the meaning of pass? Yes, anyone? Giving? Pass giving. It's a Siddheshwari pass just to it passes all the value. Actually, this is the no instruction just to fulfill the criteria of the indentation. Just to fulfill the criteria of our indentation. Okay. Consider if you don't want to write anything here. If you don't want to write anything, if you have to you have to add at least one line to fulfill the criteria of indentation. Okay. So, but if you use print statement, then we'll take some processing power, definitely. But if you use pass, that just means no operation, just to provide the body. Okay, just to provide the body. Okay, now consider if I use some print statement like hello world, and function one, run it. Python function one. So I'm getting the value hello world. Okay, this function. So this is the definition. So I'm writing here definition. Definition. This is definition, and this is the calling of function. If I do not call, interpreter will not do anything. Consider if I do not call. Interpreter execute the statement, but just put in the memory, but not execute. Doesn't execute it. Okay. I hope you're getting the sense of function. So second, def function2.py, def function with some parameters like a and b. These are the parameters. So these are the a and b are the parameters. Okay, so I can use c equal to a plus b like this and print c. I'm just writing simple function. Otherwise, function can be anything. Okay, for to do some specific task. Then function call. Consider here x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. X and y. Function 2. I'm getting 30 here. So what is the logic behind that? What is the logic here? These are the argument. X and y are the argument. We need to understand this completely. What's the meaning of this one? So let me write a diagram here over here. Consider this is just a representation of memory. Okay, just a representation, just a pictorial diagram to understand. And this is 10 and 20 over here, 10 and 20. Okay, this x representing 10 and this y representing 20. Okay, simple. This x transfers its value to a, and this y transfers its value to b. It's like you are giving like this x a and b equal to y like this. So now a pointing to this one and b pointing to this one, and the c is a sum of a and b. Getting sense? Okay, x and y pointing to 10 and c and a and b pointing to it. So if I want to do some experiment on this one, okay, let's see some experiment. Consider I want to check whether a and b pointing to same or not. Let's see. Print inside A. So ID of A, just I'm checking A only, not both. And here I'm checking print outside, right? Outside ID of X. Okay. So please tell me, it would be same or not? Today I have water. Yes. Tell me, it would be same or not? Okay, let me see the chat again if there are any. Yes. If I run it, will I get the same or not? Shubham is saying not. Okay, you can see inside A and outside both are same. Just see my diagram again and get the idea. Check here. See this one, this diagram and the output. You will get the sense. It may you have seen this code on online and other channels also, but I think you don't know this thing. This A and this X both are the same matter. This maybe can be the interview question. Okay, this kind of example may be the interview question. So you must know the idea, what's going on in behind in the RAM. Okay, I hope you are getting the sense. Okay, not yes, this is global as well as local. A and B are the local variable, X and Y are the global variable. Okay, so let's remove this picture and proceed to the next one. Consider I want to use this C for my further calculation. Consider I want to use this C for my calculation. So how to use this C outside the function? So I have to use the return statement. Return. Okay, return statement. Sometimes people get confused. Sir, what is the meaning of return statement? Just see the figure again. This one. Consider this one return statement. Sometimes people might confused. What is the meaning of return here? Consider you are in the HR department, and HR department is saying that please submit your two files. So you submit your two files, whatever the files, two files, and HR person process your file and give you a slip which to be submitted in the taxation department taxation department. Consider you get the form 16 or something form after submitting the file, and you get something and you have to submit that to taxation department. Means they are returning you a document which you have to submit in the account and taxation department. They are returning you. If you don't need that document, HR saying, okay sir, dekh lo, so you can watch it, see it, but I cannot give you. So that's a print. But you say, no sir, I need the slip, the complete detail, so that I can submit to the account and taxation department. So they will return you. So that's a return statement. So I need the processed thing. Okay, so let's add the return statement. Return C. Return C is the nichode, you can say the resultant of this function. Okay, what is the meaning of this function? Whatever it returning. What is the meaning of this function? Whatever it is returning right now. Okay, so I'm closing this statement and printing. So now it is returning it, and this one is equivalent to C. This C is equivalent to this calling thing. Okay, if I run it, now I can see I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting any C code. Okay, just make it a hash here. I'm not getting what is the meaning of this function 1xy. So we need to print it. uh, 30. In this way, you can use the return statement. Okay, consider I want to add something in this return statement. Then what? D. I'm taking a variable d equal to 40. Okay, and adding d plus this one and here k, or d equal to d plus function like this, and print d. Okay, so what is this? This is what it is done, because this is integer. Now question is whether this is integer or not. We have to check what is c. C is integer, so this whole expression is integer. Okay, yes, people are saying completely right thing. That's a 70. Okay, oh, I think you are getting the sense. Oh yes, I got it now. Return C. Okay, so next is function with default value. Function with default value. So I'm using same program, not same. Let's write a new one. Def function one. Oh, sorry, function one, and here A and B. A and B. Okay, and here C equal to A plus B. Print C. Okay, function one. I'm directly passing 20 here. Okay, 10 and 20. Print. Okay, print again. I can call multiple time with different argument. Done. Let's run it. Okay, I'm getting some output. Let's see what is that output. So this one, this line giving me. Okay, actually I'm getting none here. Actually, sorry. None. Why I'm getting none here? Anybody tell why I'm getting none here? Because I'm printing this time. This print statement is printing 30. Okay, this print statement is giving me 30. This print statement giving 30, and this statement is giving me none, because I'm printing the function and function is returning nothing. That's why by default it is returning the none. By default it is returning the none. Okay, and in this case I'm getting error. Why? Because here expecting A and B, but value of B is missing. That's why we are getting some special kind of error. Errors. Please see this error. Error is saying missing one required positional argument. One required positional argument B. Yes, it's obvious, because we just pass the value for A, not for B. Okay. So I hope you are getting the sense. So in this case, what we can do here, in this case, so in this case, we can solve this thing with the help of default argument. So here I'm setting the value of B like uh, 40. That's a default value, or 0. Okay, if nothing, no one supplied. Python fun3.py. So I'm getting. Okay, so I'm not using this print statement. This is not needed. 30 and 20. 20 and 30. So this time I'm not getting any error, because there's a by default value of B. Okay, most of you know this thing very well, but I think very few person can give the next answer. So I'm asking you answer. This b equal to 0. Please tell me when the interpreter define it. When the interpreter define it b equal to 0, at the time of definition or at the time of calling. Or that's the interview question. Question is when the interpreter define b equal to 0. Options are two options. Yes, options are at the time of definition, second at the time of calling. Yes, tell me. So one person is saying calling, one is saying definition, yes, and some person saying at the time of calling, at time of definition, at time of definition. Okay, whatever your answer. So I'm telling you the answer is at the time of definition. I will ask one interview question. So the answer is this one, at the time of definition. Okay, I will ask the answer. Sorry, I will ask the question from this topic. Okay, let's proceed with the next example. Okay, next is consider def function 1. Here I'm writing the name, age. Okay, name, age, print, name, age, name, age, and yes, name, age only. Okay, so name here, I'm just passing the value function 1, age, sorry, not my name. Okay, I'm using my friend's name, Manish. Okay, Manish, and Manish की age होगी 28. Let's say 28. Okay, then again function 2, Bhaskar. Okay, Bhaskar. And let's check function 2. Don't be function, sorry, function. Okay, Manish 28 and Bhaskar this one. Okay, and let's run this code. So I'm getting here 30 and sorry, I'm getting function 4, name, print. Okay, function 2 is not defined. Oh, sorry, it's function 1. Sorry, and here print. Code has not been completed. Sorry for that. Why I'm getting some mistakes? Name not defined. It's just a name. Sorry. Okay, so I'm getting some value here. Manish 28 and Bhaskar missing required position. So let's add some default value here to 130. Okay, we know this thing. So added the value 30. Okay, it's printing again and again. So I'm putting this thing over here. Okay. So what I'm getting here, Manish 28 and Bhaskar 30. Okay, simple. Now let's see the fun. So I'm adding some more name like Sahil, and Sahil is like 30. Okay, and I'm adding one more parameter, that is the marks, and I'm I cannot set okay marks here, like okay marks, but this is not a good thing. If this is the actually this is the positional argument, this is a positional argument, and this is default argument. And default argument always follow the positional argument. It means default argument always in the right side of positional argument. Okay, if you try to run this one, let's run. Okay, and I pass here some value like Manish 28 marks, 70 marks, and Bhaskar is taking the 80 marks, and Sahil 90. Now you can see the error. Non-default argument follows default argument. So this, please see this error. I cannot use the this kind of argument, the positional argument, after the default argument. So this marks. So I'm making this marks as a default like 60 marks. That's okay. Okay, I think purpose gets solved this time. So let's print the marks this time. Marks. Okay, one print marks, and over here also marks, marks. Let's run it. Now you can see Manish. Okay, we have some alignment problems. Okay, not an issue. We can give percentage T here and percentage T here and percentage T here. Okay. Some we get some alignment, good alignment. Okay. So you can see here, what is the problem over here? Problem is 28. This is perfect. 28 age 70 marks. Great. Bhaskar, we don't know the age of Bhaskar, but we know the marks. So, but this age is going to the this marks. This is intended for marks. My intention is this 84 marks, but it is going for age. So that's the issue. The Sahil is this one. This one is okay. Okay, and I'm taking one more name. Consider. Let's check one more name. Fun one, and I'm taking one more name. That's a Prab. Okay, Prab, and percentage T, and here age 28, 28 only. Okay, let's check it. Now let's analyze this one. Analyze. Okay, Manish 20, this is perfect. Bhaskar, this is not, because the 80 is a marks actually, not 60. A should be the by default. A should by default. In the case of Sahil, this is the yes, this is the perfect. In the case of Prabh, it is also perfect because 20 age, 8 is age, marks it is taking default 60. So that's also perfect. But in the case of Bhaskar, it is not the right thing. So how to solve this kind of thing? My intention, this actually what happened, if you are still confused, my intention, this 80 is intended for marks, but it is going for age. So do you know how to solve this thing? In the case of prob, it is okay. Default now marks in prob. Yeah, in the prob it is okay because 28 is age. That's okay, and default is marks. Okay. So in that case, what to do? We have to do some explicit thing. Explicitly, we need to say, dear, this is the info. This is for the marks. Okay. I hope you're getting the sense. This time we are getting the right output. Yes. Okay. I hope you're getting the sense. So ulta bol diya. Okay. So this can be. This is the serious. This is an interview question. This kind of interview question. Okay. Real life thing. So we often I often encounter this kind of problem. So define explicitly. Okay. So I hope you're getting the sense. So now let's see the next one. Function with variable length argument. Variable length. So def function 1 a and b. Print a and print b. Consider you want to print function 10, okay, 10 and 20, okay, function 30, okay, function, this function name is, I'm giving 5 name, 15, okay, let's run it. Okay, so I'm getting some output here. Let's put this output in just in one line, not the line by line, A and B. So in this case, you can see I'm getting 10 and 20 for this one, right? Okay, this is a calling. This is a calling, dear. Somebody saying, sir, calling kahan se use hota? This is a calling a function, okay? And but this 30 for this 30 I'm getting the error. That's the problem. So you can say, oh, okay, sir, this is not an issue. We can make a default argument that can solve your issue, not an issue. So okay, now I can see I'm getting this one 10 and 20 and this 30 and 0, but again I'm getting error in this case. Our code can handle this one, but not this one. Okay, our code can handle this 10, 20 and only 30, but this not this more than argument. You can say, see the error again. Error is saying that function takes 1 to 2, minimum 1, maximum 2 position argument, but 6 were given. भाई क्या करें, 6 दे दिए. So in this situation, we can make this b as a default argument. Oh, sorry, we can make a variable length argument. Just adding the star, which turns the b into a tuple. Okay, tuple. If you give, if you give the value, that's okay. If you do not give, that's also okay. But one value for reserve for a, this 10, 30 and 9, this reserve for a, and rest everything in a form of tuple in the b. You can see this 20 in the tuple, one element. In this case, only 0 element, but here we are getting the 5 elements. Yes. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. Just 1 second, I'm just turning on my AC. Okay. Yes, any doubt? Anyone? Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. So let's remove this one. Oh, this is a variable length argument. Okay, next is keyworded argument. So I'm writing over here. So this is the variable length argument. Def okay, sorry. Consider you want to give the argument like this. Name, no, brand equal to Intel, generation equal to 7th. Brand Intel generation 7 and processor I generation I'm saying 11th, okay, latest. Processor i7, just i7. Okay, if you want to give like this, so you can use keyworded argument, that is the double star, anything you can use A, B, C, but generally we use quarks, keyworded argument, function 6.py, okay, and print over here quarks. Python function 6. So I'm getting a dictionary. Only one A is sufficient here. Means one star A, B is only sufficient, not two. Okay, if you try to use that, definitely that will give error. Actually, I never tried, but definitely there will be error if you use double star over here. Okay, variable length. So this is invalid syntax. Okay. Quarks. Quarks just a name here. You can, if you are confused, you can use A here. Okay, don't worry. Sorry. Function 6. Okay, so this is just a name actually, keyworded argument. That's why we use quarks. It's a convention, keyworded argument. Keyworded worded argument. So short form is key worded quarks. Okay, and in this case we say args, double single star arguments, quarks and args. Okay, just a name, just a name. Name can be anything, so I'm giving a meaningful name. Okay, so now how to use everything in just in one program. So if you want to write one code with everything like A, B, and then give some variable length argument star args and then double star kwr. So follow this sequence. You cannot use, so don't break the sequence. Consider you want to use everything. So this is the priority order. First positional argument, second default argument, third variable length argument, fourth keyworded argument. Okay, so this is a sequence. So I hope you're getting the sense. Okay, so function 7. So this is a question for you guys. So you have to fill this one and you have to call this one with some arguments. Okay, this is for you. This is like assignment question. So I am writing it over here. Assignment 3. This is a kind of assignment. Okay, just first assignment. Today's this. Okay. And next. Okay, so this is attendance. This is assignment. Okay. Next assignment at the 8:40. 8:40. I have given the assignment. Okay. Next. Next is call by value or call by refer reference. So I hope you have heard, I hope you would have heard this term, call by reference and call by value. So what is the meaning of call by value and call by reference? And Python use reference or value? If you know the meaning of value and reference, so can anybody tell me what Python use call by value or call by reference. I have already given the example. See this diagram again. If you know what is the meaning of call by reference, call by value, so see this diagram and tell me what is this, what this diagram signifies. Call by value or call by reference? Yes, anybody? Anyone? Shubham, Timber, Tom, I don't know, Ghosh, Siddhi. Call by reference, just call by reference. Yes, call by reference. This is call by reference. So Python use the call by reference. Okay. And now I am asking one question. Okay, let's see some questions around. Okay, let me write some program. Function 8.py def function 1. I am taking a list 2 here and print list 2 before append. Okay, and list 1 list 2 dot append 30. Print list 2 after append. And here I'm defining list 1 and function 1 define list 1 and here outside list 1. I hope syntax everything is okay. And now tell me the answer. I'm asking you a question. So what value will I get here? Here definitely I will get 10 and 20. Okay, because I'm passing list 1, list 2, list 1, 10, 20. Here definitely I will get 10, 20 and 30. But here what value? So I'm giving option A. Options A is saying that 10 and 20 and option B is saying that 10, 20 and 30. Tell me the answer in the chat box. I'm waiting. Siddhi is saying 10, 20, 30. Okay. Anybody? Anyone? Siddhi is saying 10, 20. So one vote for this one. So I'm counting the vote in the different color. Not this color. Yeah. One vote for this one and one vote for her node saying 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 vote total. And 2 vote for here. 3 vote for here. Shubham saying is Shivaji saying and Alina saying this one. So 3 vote for here. So 2 vote for again, 2 vote for 1 vote for this one. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Exercise. This is a kind of exercise. Okay. Like an interview question. You are in the interview and I'm asking the question. Manu saying no, so it's 20 is okay. So here majority is here. Okay, I'm like this. Still both are same. Means this is a graph. Okay, this is a graph. I'm watching this one. And yes, 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 more, more, more. One for A, one for B. Both are same right now. Means majority saying majority is I'm not getting the majority number. Yes, I will send the assignment in your means on the community link. Okay. B, so B added one more. A added one more. Okay, this one add one more. Nilesh. Okay, now I'm revealing the truth. Now it's time for truth. Oh, A is approaching around 3 1 3 1 ek to. Okay, here and one B. So B here. Okay, so graph is approaching a graph showing people are saying. Okay, let's wait for suspense. Let's wait. Sorry, and the suspense. Not wait for suspense. And for suspense. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's 10, 20, 30. So winner is B. Okay, so Durga, Ashin, you are the winner, and Darshak, so chocolate for my side. Okay, virtual chocolate for my side. Okay, सर चॉकलेट मिलेगी डेफिनेटली अगर यही होता चॉकलेट देता okay if you were here I would definitely would have given you chocolate call by reference this is call by reference that's why okay I hope you're getting the sense so let's see the next question so def function 1 a over here okay print before a equal to a plus 10 print after a okay equal to 20 and calling function 1 a and print after calling a. Let's save this first. Okay, I'm removing this thing and function 1 function 9.py. Shubham is saying 30%. I know dear 30%. Yeah, 30 you can see. 30 यहाँ से भी आ रहा है और 30 यहाँ से भी आ रहा है outside. Okay, you can see. Let's see. See, you can if you want, if you have any doubt, let's see. You can see. So I'm just marking it. देखो ये तो होगा यहाँ से ये होगा इस पे गया ठीक है ये जाएगा यहाँ पर and the answer the winner is this side अब देख लो okay see this one for some seconds 10 seconds 20 seconds okay so this is kind of interview question okay this is kind of interview question there I have a lot of interview question here so but we have limited time so that's why I'm asking you come in the full-fledged course from scratch you will get a lot of interview question you will have a lot of concept and you will make your own software for yourself as well as for the company okay okay now let's proceed to the next code this is list one this is list one okay list one may 30 and this is a list two I'm saying that will I get effect on list one or not because both are same this list two and list one both are same now here let's run I think everything is fine now let's check the code here this is what this is the 20 this is the 30 now what here option A is saying 30 and B is saying 20 now let's see people are saying so let's see the graph here okay this is a graph and this is a B graph and I'm using the color yellow so 30 30 oh my god the graph is approaching 20 so one is saying 20 okay here 220 and 1 230 again yes 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 30, 30, one more, 30, 30. Okay, now let's reveal the suspense this time. So I change my answer to 20. Okay, up. So his answer is 20. 20, dear. This time 20. This time not 30. Yes. Anyone? Any doubt here? Junior 20 ga, that's okay. They have no doubt. But if you are saying 30, do you have any doubt after seeing this one? Do you need any explanation? Nandu Kumar saying how? How, sir? Very simple, dear. In the previous code, if you are comparing the previous code, I haven't used any assignment statement. Here, I haven't used any assignment statement. See, I'm just appending the existing list. Okay. But here in this code, I am doing the reassignment statement. This one. Okay. I am doing the reassignment statement. This one. Reassignment. Okay. Assignment statement. So what happened? In the starting, so here is the concept of global variable and local variable. Local. Okay, so this A is a global variable. So this A, and I'm writing just small g here. So represent this is a global variable stored in some different memory and pointing to 20. Okay, ji. यहाँ तो कोई issue नहीं. There's no issue. Okay, simple. Now this global A is sending its value to this A. So this is the local. So L A G. Okay. Now A L pointing to same 20. ठीक है जी, ये भी समझ में आ गया. ठीक है. Now after reassign means, what's the meaning of reassignment? Reassignment means somewhere 30. So after making 30, now this linking will break, it pointing to this 30. But AG, this is a AG still pointing to 20. So I hope you're getting the sense. बताइए. Yes, Siddhi. Shubham. Nandu Kumar. Yes, are you getting sense here? Rajesh, Govind. Got it? I hope you're getting some sense. You're getting knowledge, good knowledge. This is like a Python essential, but Python, this is, I'm telling you Python beyond basics. These are beyond basics, beyond basic. Okay. Okay, let's see another one. That's the last, okay, last for today. After that, we will finish this chapter. When call by value and call by reference. Okay. Call by value means when we send the copy of original variable, copy of original, copy. When we send the address, that is the reference. In the C language, we have option. We can use call by reference and we can use call by value. And in the Python, we don't have any option. This is call by reference. When we send the address of value. Okay. So we are sending the address. When you say can you just join, can you speak in Hindi? I can speak in Hindi, but this session for the everyone. And Let's Upgrade community has some policy. You have to speak in English. Okay. Yes, Ayushi, you can see the video anytime. Okay, after completion of the session, you can see the video, and please watch the video because this is the I already told some entry questions. Okay, next one, def function. Okay, I'm taking one value here, k equal to 10, and here I'm making k equal to k plus 10. Sorry, here I'm making c equal to k plus 10. Print c, and here function 1. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. Function 10.py. Okay, print c. Function c equal to k plus 10. Print c. Done. Now, what will I get here? Answer. Print statement. Function 10.py. Yes. Yes. Tell me. Yes, it's 20. There is no doubt this 20. Okay. Getting sense? Here you can see one thing. Remember my one thing. I am using k, but I'm not changing the k. I'm using that global variable. This is k global variable. That's a global variable. I'm not changing the k. Okay. So now let's check the next one. That's consider if I use k here, then now please tell me the answer. Now think, what would be the answer? Yes, Shubham, Nahid, Siddhi, what would be the answer? It's 10. Error. Somebody saying error, error. Why error? Now question is why error? Yes, there is this is error actually. There's no doubt this is error. Error is, you can see error, and it's saying that local variable k reference before the assignment. It means that this is the, so when the interpreter check k equal to, okay जी k equal to, that's okay, यहाँ तक ठीक है, अभी तक कुछ नहीं देखा, अभी तक till now interpreter just see k equal to, okay, but when see again there is a k, means you are making k, you are defining k from what? When it's a k, see again, okay, when I use c here, this k is as a global, this k is a global k, okay, global k, but if I use k here, this k, now interpreted stamped that this k is a local, and it is saying that you are making k from k which is undefined. So you can see value referenced before assignment, we are getting the error. Okay, because temp is k local, and it is saying that you are using k local, you are making k local, but k is not defined, that's error. So it's saying the local variable k referenced before assignment. So but in our thinking, we think sometimes we think it should use this wala k, global k, right? So we need to say, okay, no dear, this no interpreter, this is not the l here, this is the k global. So we need to tell interpreter, by default it is taking the local variable, so we need to tell by the using the global statement, global k. Oh, see, forget that one time, that thing, so sorry. So this time I'm getting the 20, and yes, if you print after here, print after k, 20. Okay, I'm getting 20. I hope you're getting the sense. Ayushi is saying no, live Punjabi. Yes, I'm have a hybrid of Haryana and Punjab. I know Punjabi, I know Haryanavi. Okay, I'm a hybrid person. Haryana and Punjab. Right now, I'm sitting in Punjab. Okay, and in the village, these are all village. Okay, village. Everywhere is a village. In my house, of here village, here village, here village, every village. I'm residing in a village. Okay, totally pure oxygen. Where I'm living right now, that's a pure green area. Totally green area. Okay. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense. Okay, I hope you have learned so many questions of interview question of function. Okay, in today's lecture you solved my school doubt in Python. School doubt. Okay, so I hope that you learned the some significant. So I'm going to ask one question from this one at the time of calling. So this is defined at the time of calling or at the time of definition. Okay, so function one. So this is a question again. Okay, a equal to and list here default list. Okay, print sorry, here list one dot append a print list one. Okay, now I'm calling this function one by one. 10 function 2 function 1 20 function 1 30. Save as function 4 function 10 function 11 dot py. Now tell me the answer. So I'm giving you two options. One is here I'm getting 10, here I'm getting 20, here I'm getting 30. This is option A. And here I'm getting 10, here I'm getting 10, 20, and here I'm getting 10, 20, and 30. That's option B. So tell me the answer. Answer is B. That's great. That's an interview question. Good interview question. So answer is B. Okay, why answer is B? Oh. Okay, it's error. Just remove the error. भावनाओं को समझिए. Okay. Answer is B. Now consider if I use a list over here, then tell me the answer. So tell me the right. Can you write the answer? Can you judge the answer? Can you tell me the answer? So it's 10. Just you are saying 10. Where the 20 and 30? 10, 20, and 30. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you options. Okay, I'm giving you options. Let's play the game. 10. 10, 20, 30, or 10, 20, 30, or the last one 10, 20 and 10, 30. A, B and C. Yes, tell me the answer. Now the fight between A and C. People are saying B, A, C, B. Let's solve this one without wasting the time. So it's 10, 20 and 10, 30. 10, 20, 10, 30. Okay, so you have to check the. I hope you are getting the sense. You have to check the where is the default, where is not default. See the answer. That's 10, 20 and 10, 30. Okay. So I hope you're getting a sense. So I hope you like the function chapter and I solve your doubt, I think. Okay, so next chapter is module. Module. Next chapter is module. So let's say what is module? What is module? Function, we use function for organize the code. Consider I need a function from other person. Consider I have a file. Let me show you a file. Finder. Let's say this. I know this file very well. So I have this file. Okay, this file. Let's open this file. This one. Open this file. F2. Open the file. Okay, this is a file. Okay. Now I can say the power of Finder. No need to go and just search and open. This is the function for accelerator. Uh, Not this one. I think I can use another accelerator. SCSV. Okay, this is a function for accelerator. The function for accelerator. So how to use this one? Because this is written in the another file, and I want to use it. So one thing is copy paste. Function is a part of a code. I can reuse that function in my code again and again, but consider that function written in the different file. Then what to do? Then what to do? So we have to make the modules. Okay, we have to make the modules. So Sakshi Agarwal is saying, sir, what is the logic behind? Okay, still people are asking the questions. Okay, I didn't tell you the logic. Okay, logic is very simple here. Logic is very simple. You can see this list is defined at the time of definition. Okay, so for this 10 and this 10, it will be same. But here this 20 is giving this separate list. For this 10 and this 20, this is default list will be used. Default will be list will be used, and but for this 20, the this sending list, this list will be used. That's answer. Okay. So let's make some modules. Let's make some small function so that we can understand. Like def function one a and b is equal to a plus b, print c. No, return c. Sorry, return c and def function. Oh, not it should be someone, not the function one. Subtract a and b is equal to a minus b and print return c. Save as module. Oh, not this one this time. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense this time. So return C. Okay. So I want to use this two function but in a different uh, program. So my new program is uh, like this, save as mod1.py. Okay, mod1.py. Okay, and first of all import dot module, import module 1, import module 1, and module 1 dot sum 1 10 and 20, and print it. You can print it. And similarly I can use a second one also, sum1 and sub1. I'm getting the answer. Okay, very simple. But now question is, let's say how we can simplify it. This module name is very lengthy, so I'm making some small name like module 1 as m1. Now this module 1 will be used by m1, so I'm using m1 here, I'm using m1 here. Okay, in this way I can use, or I can use with the different way, like I can use some different statement also, like from module 1 import someone comma sub1. So in that case we are explicitly saying from module 1 I need someone or sub1. So I remove this m1 from here and just ask the answer. Function sorry mod 2.py. 30 and minus 10. Getting sense? Easy. Now sometimes people ask the question, if you are using just someone, like sorry someone only, let's see this one. In the previous code we are importing the complete module, but in the second function, this one, I am just importing the one function. So this is memory efficient? No. Whether you import just one function or just one variable, your interpreter load the complete module in the memory. You can say, sir, no, I am not agree with this one. Consider you say. So let's see, if I add variable here, print statement over here, like complete. Okay, just print the statement. And if I run mode 1, I'm getting the statement complete. So in the mode 1, this mode 1 program, I'm importing the complete module, and I'm getting the complete statement. That's okay, complete module. In the mode 2 program, I'm just importing the one function. Now the question is, will I get that complete statement or not? Will I get this complete statement or not? But here I'm just importing the someone, not nothing else. So question is, will I get this complete statement or not? This complete string or not? Tell me. Abhishek is saying no. Shubham is saying no. Not no. Oh, people are saying no. Oh my God. I'm getting complete statement. Sorry, आपकी उम्मीदों को तोड़ने के लिए, but we are getting the complete statement. I told you that whether you use just a single function or complete function, single function or all function, your interpreter will load the complete module in the memory. That's why I'm getting this statement complete. Okay, ji. I hope you are getting the sense. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense. So in this way we can, and both are the different. This module here we are using someone as a part of M1. Okay, but in the mode 2 we are using someone as a part of this module. Now I can say, sorry, iska matlab, what is the meaning of this one is a part of this module. Consider in this in this one, if you define some function like function one, sorry, someone, and print a statement, okay g, okay g, okay, that says any statement. Okay, now will I get okay g or 30 30? Tell me, just kind of interview question. Yes, tell me the answer. Will I get okay g or 30? Okay g, okay g, okay. Actually, here someone. Okay, I'm passing two argument. That's why I'm getting. Okay, let's add one or two. That's okay. Yeah, no need to receive. I'm getting okay G. Okay, okay G. I'm getting complete and okay G. Why getting none? Because we are using print statement over here and print statement over here, and it is not returning anything. That's why we are getting the none from here. Okay, and in the mode one here, if I print the same thing in the mode one. Now please tell me here now will I get the OKG or not? Mode 1. What will I get? 30 or OKG? Yes, this for mode 1. Tell me in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me the answer here. You will get, you're saying both. Okay, I'm not getting OKG this time. No, no, no. That's a question I want to. That's a kind of interview questions. 30. Yes, we are getting 30. 30 and minus 10. But I'm not getting OKG. Okay, because this someone is a part of this module mode 1, and this someone is a part of M1 module. Okay, you need to understand this both concept. Okay, I hope now you're getting the sense. Now let's proceed further. Sir, why? Can you explain? This is very simple. I told you that this someone associated with M1 because this someone is in the namespace of M1, and this okay, I'm writing it so that you can understand. This someone in the namespace of module 1, and this someone in the namespace of this program name mod 1, this name. Okay, this file. Okay, getting sense or not? Please tell me. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? And in the previous one mode 2, this someone, now you can see this someone. Now when we say from module 1 import someone, now it is a part of in the namespace. Now it is adding now from this statement we adding this someone in the namespace of mode 2, this mode 2, this file. Now this one replaces the older one. This someone replaces the older one. Okay, now I'm asking again a one question. Okay, now please tell me what will I get? OKG or 30? Now please tell me the answer. Okay, I will show the module one again. Can you tell me the answer of this one? See this one and tell me the answer. People are saying 30. OKG, OKG. Someone is saying OKG. So let's see the answer. Or you want to change your answer? Okay, I'm waiting for. Ishika is saying both. 30. Because only one name can be reside in the namespace. So first namespace and then it the latest one replace the previous one. I hope you are getting this statement. Latest one replace the previous one. Okay. So I hope you are enjoyed the this session. Okay. Tell me, yeah, are you enjoying this one or not? Okay, now see the next one. Next one. Sometime we use like this one. This statement. Okay, I'm completing this code again. Control X and here. Same as function 12.py. Yes, a lot. Okay, that's great. So sometime consider our module contain 2, 3, 4 functions. Module 1. So I can use star here. I can use star here. Okay, and I'm not using this one, this thing. This is just commenting. And it's, oh sorry, it's not fun, it's a rename. I am renaming it. It should be the mod 3, mod3.py, mod 3 complete third. I'm getting 30 this time. So star means everything. Sir, please continue till 10 p.m. No, dear, I'm very hungry right now. I cannot continue. भूख लगदी सानू भी. Okay, mod 3 means this time I'm getting 30. This star means everything. Whatever you have, import everything. But this is not the recommendable thing in the industry. It is not the recommendable thing in the industry if you star. Why? Why not recommendable thing? Right now we are just importing one module. It's very simple. Okay, somebody say, from where we are getting someone? From where? Okay, check the module one. Okay, yes, module one contains someone. That's okay. Okay, we are getting. But consider if you import 4 5 modules, from module 1 import star, from module 2 import star, from module 3 import star. Consider, let's say, one more module. Oh, what is this module? And I'm using the same module one over here. Okay, same thing in the module one. Remove, and I'm writing over here someone again, but this time I'm using the divide. Module 2 and module 1 both contain, okay, both contain same thing. Now question is, consider if I use मॉड्यूल फ्रॉम मॉड्यूल टू import star. अब यहाँ पे इशू है. Now there is a issue. What? Will I get -10 or 30? Now please tell me. Error? It's saying error. No, no dear, no error. इतनी गारंटी मेरी है. There is no error. Oh, I should multiply. Okay, so sorry, it's a multiply, not a minus one. Sorry, it's 200. Okay, which is the latest one? Simple, simple. Sorry, sorry. No, it's not minus. It's a multiply. Okay, if I use minus here, let's see minus to correct your answer. So it's sorry, it's mod 3, not mod 2. I'm getting -10. Okay, -10. So minus, I put the minus. Okay, which is the latest one? Which is the latest one? Which is the latest one? Okay, Vijay. अब यहाँ पे problem क्या है? What is the problem over here? Consider newcomer. Joins a project in the middle. आप गए, if you join a company and you check, okay, there's a lot of code already made, and you check that, okay, from where I'm getting this someone. Okay, from module 1, maybe module 1 I'm getting the someone. Let's check the module 1. You check module 1. Okay, yes, module 1 contain the someone, and answer would be 20, 30, and but what are you getting? -10. That's a problem. So this is not the recommendable thing if you use mode star in the company. So that's why company always restrict to use a star. And we have some explicit restrictions, but I'm not telling you because time is very less. Okay, there's so much thing in the module you can learn, like how to put the restriction, locating things. Okay, locating things, because right now this module 1 in my uh, in the same directory, mode 2 program and mode 3 program, and this module 1 module 2 both are in the same directory. But consider in the company environment we put our module in the different directory, and how to use that directory. We have the two options. First, use the Python path. Second, the uh, use sys path. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the session. So these are the things, so you have to learn yourself. I think locating Python modules. Okay, like this one. This is my module. My module. So my module is like Fave Circle. I can use PDF image. I can use this one. This is a my module. Okay, if I put any module over here, I can import it without any doubt. Consider I make the new module like this one. I put here over here. I'm making a new file like module3.py. Okay, edited and put over here someone, and I'm writing here sum2, not someone. Okay, can I use it? Let's check in the mode 3 program. From, not here, let's write another one. From module 3 import star, oh, not star, import module 3 is successfully imported. Let's check what are in the module 3. So print dir in the module 3. Dir, what is inside in this module? Okay, mod 4 program, and let's check. Python mod 4. Yes, that's working fine, because this directory, I made this my C drive, my modules. I made this directory to set the Python path. Means my Python interpreter know this my module path. Okay, so now I can see sum2 is over here. There's another technique. Okay, so I hope you have learned a lot of things today. Okay, and there are so many things still remaining which I can tell you. So I urge you, please join the in its main course. Okay, so I hope you have learned something. So if you have any doubt, please tell me. Digitally transfer possible? Digital transfer possible, I'm not getting. Why we use import? Oh, पूरी रामायण निकल गई. Why we use import means import the module. सर जब जब भूख लग रही है. हाँ, seriously. Okay. So I'm stop sharing and saying bye bye everyone. Bye bye. I hope you have learned something significant today. Okay. Okay. So you can see my book online, Python Penetration Testing Essential. Python. You can see my book if you want to see my book. You can see Python Penetration Testing Essentials, Python Penetration Testing for Developers, and Python for Developers, and Learn Python in 7 days. These are my 4 and 5 books. Okay. Okay. I hope. Where is the Let's Upgrade team? Yeah, let's upgrade. Are you there? Are you here? Maybe they are busy in somewhere. Okay, bye bye everyone. Bye bye and stay tuned for the next, or I don't know next session hai ki nahi hai. Okay. So bye bye everyone. Bye bye. And I will add one more assignment. Okay. I will add one more assignment. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Live studio.